Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I will show you how to sell products online for free. So if you're interested, keep watching up until the end of this video. And now let's get started with our tutorial. So in this video, I will show you how to use Ecwid as your online store. So Ecwid is powered by Lightspeed, so it is an online store known globally. So first, we need to have our Ecwid account. So let's open up our browser and then let's search for Ecwid. Search for Ecwid, click enter, and click the first link. So you see Ecwid here, click this one, and you will be headed to the Ecwid page. As you can see here, start selling everywhere online. So you can start using Ecwid for free. You can either choose here, get started for free here, or get started for free. Either way, just click get started for free, and then you need to sign up for an Ecwid account. Your free online store is just a click away. So you need to input your full name, email, and password for you to have a free Ecwid account. So let me input mine and I'm going to show you how to make an Ecwid account. So first, the first name, email, and then the password. And after you're done, just click next and just wait for this to load. And you will be asked for your store setup. The first thing that they will ask you about is what's your store name? So enter the name of your store as what you want to appear to customers. It can be online store name or your name. If you have a brand already, just input it. So I'm just going to put online store. You don't have to copy this one. And input your country. And then you can choose among of the countries here. And input the currency. I'm going to choose US dollar. And then click next. The next thing is that add a company address to get paid and set up delivery. So I don't have a company address yet. Don't worry, you can just click the next button and you will skip this one. And then tell us a little more about yourself. So I'm just gonna click I'm just getting started, and then what type of products will I be selling? It can be about books. And the next thing is that are you setting up a store for someone else? I'm gonna click no, because for let's say for example this will be your own online store, and then click next and choose where you'll be running your store. Do you have a website? You can say no, and you can enter your own URL here. So I don't have an idea yet. I'm just going to click next and I can edit that later. And the next thing you need to do is find the right plan for you. So we are hoping and gonna make a free online store. So we are just getting started. We can just choose free. But if you have already an experience or you have money, you can choose among of these three what is your preferred plan. But I'm just gonna choose create a store. It's free. And then readings, you are now on your Ecwid page. So get ready for your first sale. Follow our tips to get started. So you just need to follow all of these steps for you to set up your Ecwid online store. So we are done creating our account. The next step that we need to do is set up our website or storefront. So when you click that one, you will be headed to your website. So this is gonna be the sample of your website. So if you don't like this one, you can just choose themes, and then for example you like this one, so you can use this theme and then you can edit it later. So You can edit it on the side sections. And once you're done with that, or you're going to edit your website later, we can go back to our Ecwid control panel and click for add your products or services. So when we click this one, we will be headed to our products. So this will be the sample layout if you already have added all your products. So these are just the sample products. Let me click and delete all sample products. Okay, delete all, and then click add new product. So this is your interface. If you want to add a new product, just click upload image, and I'm just gonna choose this one, for example, and I need to put the name on it, and SKU, the weight, for example. And then you can also add a description. So under here there are stars, so these are for the, I guess, planned Ecwid accounts. So you can skip that one, and then you need to add the price of your product. So once you're done with that, if you're not done editing your new product or the products that you have, you can just click the product availability as disabled. Or you can also enable or disable this if, for example, your products are sold out. So you can disable this one. And if you're not done yet and you want to edit it later, just click save, and it will appear just like this. And if you want to edit it back again, you need to click edit product. So now we are done at the adding products section. Let's go back to our control panel. And then the next thing that we need to have is the review regional settings. So these are the settings that we made earlier. So here you can edit your store name, your store web address, your company name, email address, and phone number. You can edit here your company address and your social media account. So it's important that you add your social media accounts, especially if you have a Facebook page for your business, an Instagram business page, a Twitter, a YouTube page for your business. And then when we go back to our control panel, we need to choose how to deliver our goods or our delivery options. So when we click this one, we will be headed to choosing your shipping, delivery, and pickup. So when you click this one, add shipping, you can just choose this one, and it's gonna be different according to what shipping courier you have on your country. So when we go back, we can choose local delivery, add one, and on the self pickup, you can add which location. So after that, the last step is that you need to add your payment methods. So here you can pay by cash, edit actions. You can also pay through Stripe, and then you can connect your Stripe account here and your PayPal account also. So it's either way. You choose the manual payments. There are other payments here. So there are many payment methods to choose to. It's regarding to what you prefer or what your clients prefer. So if you set up all of these and it's 100%, you can now get started with your own free online store. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.